So now I'm audible?
Absolutely. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. You are also audible. So sorry for the
No problem. No problem.
inconvenience.
I can understand because
Yeah.
this Zoom might uh, put you in any kind of stress anytime.
Sir?
This Zoom software can put you in stress anytime.
Exactly, sir. It's really
तभी
tough.
तभी और ये तभी फेल करता है जब आपका बहुत जरूरी मीटिंग है या आपको
हाँ
कुछ
हाँ
करना है,
वही
तभी ये होता है ठीक
I'm
है
trying several things and just acting up technically बहुत short कर रहा है पता नहीं कुछ ना कुछ.
yes nonetheless but um, putting the Zoom aside
Yes.
how are you? And I hope IIT Kharagpur admission is done, right? Each and everything.
Yes. Yes, I am very good. I hope you are also doing well.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah. So yes, I've paid half of the fee that is required, and now I'm just waiting for the rest of the formalities to be just to be done with. So yeah.
Okay. So that's great. I mean, how are you feeling? The reason being I'm asking because not many people are aware. Last time we were in the same situation and there are so many things happened. So I'm going to ask you a question from the last year too, okay? Because I
Sure.
know it, many people are aware about it, okay? But now this time you just cracked it. That's why I'm asking. Okay, I hope it's a totally different kind of thing with you, at least with you, because um, uh, and overall, any other exam you are trying, Abhi? Or other than IIT KGP? अभी तो हो चुका है IIT KGP. अभी कुछ और exam try कर रहे हो?
नहीं सर अभी मैं और तो कुछ नहीं भरा हूँ लाइक क्लैट और एलिट बस दिया था एंड देन आईआईटी खड़गपुर.
Okay,
हाँ.
ठीक है. And there's so many. This time also there are so many people have cracked IIT KGP from
Yeah,
jurisdiction.
yes sir. I've
ठीक है.
seen that. Yeah.
Yeah, and आप लोग जाके मीट करोगे वहां पर ठीक है
हाँ सर.
डेफिनेटली लास्ट टाइम भी हुआ था इस बार भी होगा तो पहले मैं आपसे यही पूछूंगा लास्ट ईयर के रिगार्डिंग ठीक है उससे मैं बात ये करता हूँ बिकॉज लास्ट ईयर यू वर आल्सो देयर योर फ्रेंड सौम्या इज आल्सो देयर
Yeah.
सौम्या got through IIT KGP you didn't and though it was 1-2 months preparation that time you joined jurisdiction क्योंकि तब
Yeah.
पे बहुत पास था ओके
Mm-hmm.
आपको पूछो लास्ट टाइम कहाँ पर क्या वेयर डिड इट गो रॉन्ग लास्ट टाइम IIT KGP में so
So,
interview was kind of mess I remember that thing okay that
एक्चुअली हुआ क्या था कि जो इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे माय इंटरव्यू वाज स्लॉटेड समवेयर बिटवीन 10 to 1 and I was waiting for it. I had prepared, I had done everything, and I was I was just waiting, and we waited till around 12 o'clock or till I guess 1 o'clock. After 1 o'clock we thought what happened and why are they not contacting us, because they were supposed to call us. तो उनका कॉल ही नहीं आया. So once like it went past 1, I called them, and they said that they tried to call me, and they didn't get the network. So that was again a massive issue, and again I got anxiety because of that. My interview was like I was not in a space to give that interview, I would say. So that's then again I got I got my opportunity in the second slot.
yeah
In the second slot. So again I gave it, but then the anxiety of waiting for so long, whether I was going to get the interview or not, or whether I will be selected, all that just piled up a bit, and I guess I didn't perform at my best, I would say,
yeah
for that interview at least.
yes understanding the reason being क्योंकि आपका first slot में था I remember you were from the day 7 and you were waiting from the morning itself and your
Yes.
interview was scheduled in the evening so that time
Evening.
कभी कभार क्या होता है कि you were waiting for so long from morning to
Exactly.
evening 6-7 hours 8 hours so उसका तो अलग ही एक प्रेशर रहता है कि you are going to attempt the interview
हाँ.
and उसका अलग टेंशन एंजाइटी and lot of things and आपके साथ वो जो हुआ है कि people called and you were not there so
Exactly.
I might be disqualified.
Exactly.
I was
Yeah.
not aware of it. So a lot of things I knew it and I talked to Soumya also that time regarding this के आपके बारे में Soumya talking to me regarding this. Yes, but nonetheless you finally are going to IIT KGP and joining her there. So you got the IPR right? आपको IPR मिला है मैं
हाँ.
specialization में देखा ना ठीक है. So I hope you are also vying for that IPR also right? आप IPR के लिए तो जा रहे थे.
हाँ सर आईपीआर के लिए ही शुरुआत से गोल था दैट आई वांटेड टू परस्यू इट फ्रॉम आईआईटी और नालसा, बट अगेन क्लैट डिडंट क्लिक, सो glad this did. So
CLAT is CLAT right
yeah.
sometimes. देखो, the thing is that IIT KGP is now is really lucrative for many students, and actually it is. It's not that lucrative for the sake of lucrative, but actually it's very good. The people are trying to go to IIT KGP, and they're getting very good environment, good knowledge, and सब कुछ faculties and everything. They're getting very very good. Now overall, आप तो IIT KGP जा रहे हो,
Yes.
and how was your मतलब when you joined here Juris Edge, okay, मुझे याद है आपके साथ बात भी हुआ था. The first and foremost thing, IIT KGP में basics and concepts are very important, at least for IIT KGP, ठीक है. तो आपका ये जो जर्नी हम लोगों के साथ रहा, इसमें आपके कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी में हम लोग कितना हेल्प कर पाए आपका?
सर मेरा ज्वाइन करने का मेन था ही गोल की जितने भी बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स है, स्पेशली जो सब्जेक्ट्स मेरे वीक रहे हैं, लाइक आई गेस क्रिमिनल लॉ हो गया या जुरिस्प्रूडेंस हो गया. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भी इतने डेप्थ में मैंने नहीं पढ़ा था, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. लाइक इन द पास्ट 5 years इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता सेमेस्टर के बीच में टू go into the depth of each and every subject. So depth and basic fundamental understanding was very much required for my preparation.
Yeah.
And that's why I went with Jurisage. And what can I can only say that it was an enriching experience for me. Right from you, Arohi ma'am, and Venus ma'am with criminal law, I mean, I was helped immensely. I made notes. I went through all the recorded lectures. I ensured that whatever you people are providing me, I'm able to, make the best use of those resources. And I can vouch for it that the way the course is designed and the way all of you have taught us, each and every faculty member, I'm very happy with the way I prepared. And the basics, again, uh, you had 3 stages, I guess: basics, and then advanced and super advanced.
Yeah.
These levels are in itself helped me a lot, to understand, okay, from article 1 to article 2 in constitution, and then understanding the fundamental rights, everything. So we went to depth, and that was very important. And that helped me a lot during the preparation of not only IIT Kharagpur but also in CLAT and ULET. And yeah.
Absolutely. The reason is, Kartikeya, there are so many students like you, okay? They didn't get the opportunity in their college time to go through or to build this kind of foundation, okay? For various reasons, okay? Some external reasons are also there. आपके पास भी वो नहीं रहता है वो चीजें कि आप build up कर पाओगे. And that's why we're trying to build up, we're to give that platform के आपके तरह student who really want to build their foundation and simultaneously crack the exam, both, okay? उनके लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म दे पाया, एंड दैट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी फॉर यू के आप already you are getting the desired destination which you are vying for, basically IIT KGP. Kartikeya, another thing is the mock IIT KGP, because the previous years question paper are not publicly available, okay? And because if you remember, there are several kind of mocks that we provide. The basic mocks are there, and the IIT KGP mocks, and there are different examples. So the other mocks रहते हैं. How was the mock experience regarding this?
For me, for the past 1 year, I had given a lot of mocks, like related to CLAT, AILET, and even recently for IIT Kharagpur as well. What I can say is for CLAT, again, this time the paper was very much different. So the mocks, the preparation would be jolted because of that.
Yeah.
But in terms of IIT Kharagpur, I found the mocks very comprehensive because I had given the CBTT last year. So in comparison to that, the mocks are tailor-made for that kind of situation to tackle those basic questions, especially for IPR. Like, you need to be thorough with that. And I thought the questions were quite relevant, especially, and from other minor subjects like labor law and constitution is always there. So all the entire mocks were great because it covered the minor and the major subjects equally well, and that helped me a lot during the course of the preparation for this exam.
Yeah. And Kartikeya, another thing, tell me, because there are so many mentors might have talked to you or आपको guide किया during this time, okay? And there are various stages you might have got to see, various people have. What's your experience regarding that?
I mean, whenever, like for me, whenever we were in the class, a lot of things were discussed there itself. तो मुझे एज सच कोई एक्स्ट्रा करने की जरूरत नहीं थी, बिकॉज आप लोग क्लास में इतना कुछ बता देते थे, एंड देन टुवर्ड्स एग्जाम जो भी अप्रोच रखना है, मेरे लिए अप्रोच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आई कुडंट हैव आस्क्ड फॉर एनीथिंग एल्स, and especially coming from you regarding jurisprudence and everything, I was very happy with the way everything went, and that's the plus point that I feel, that that everyone who under whom I studied, they guided me not only in terms of you know
Cracking the exam.
studying the material, but also the approach that everyone in every class, like every teacher in every class used to just state ki aise karo and try to read this case. So handling those things, I think that was very good. That's what I'll take with myself for the next few years as well.
Absolutely. And that will stay with you people. The reason being, I always believe in one thing, and that what I want to do. Okay, if we teach something or the approach or the mindset that I can give you, that will be there for the rest of your life. अगर मैं आपको by hook or crook I'll make you crack the exam, you might crack this exam only in your lifetime. But if I can give you the approach or the mindset, that'll help you rest of your life. Any exam that you want to approach, आप कोई भी exam में जाके crack कर सकते हो. That is one of the things that I believe in. Now you might be remembering, Kartikeya, that that Sambhavi was there. Sambhavi ma'am, आपके Atul sir, and also various people were there. Okay,
Yes.
mentors आपको mentor किए थे. Probably this time you're going to mentor your juniors too. Okay, you will get that opportunity. Okay, so उसके बारे में आपको क्या क्या ये बोलना है? Because there are people from the IIT KGP who are taking the, I mean, helping you directly.
Again, very insightful. I mean, last year when I was attempting the paper for the first time, and you were taking interviews, Atul sir was taking interviews. It was amazing. I mean, to overcome that fear, because in interviews, what happens is you tend to get confused कि क्या बोलना है, कितना बोलना है. तो वो assessment बहुत ज़्यादा important था, and to focus on areas which you need to speak upon कि अच्छा they can ask this question, or then you have to make sure that you prepare in a certain way कि ये question आप अच्छे से deal कर पाओ. I think वो feedback was very important at that time, and I'm grateful for that.
True. So that's great. I mean, अभी आपका next plan of action क्या है? मतलब as you are getting into IIT KGP, what's your plan? मतलब then UGC and academics would be your next plan of action, or something else that you are planning?
Sir, inclination तो I guess उसी तरफ है कि मैं UGC दूं या फिर academics में जाऊं. But I have not completely set aside the fact that firms maybe I can get an opportunity. So, but inclination is towards, you can say, academics or research for now.
That's great. I mean, that will help you. IIT KGP is tailor-made for this, actually. There's a solid foundation that is typically what you aspire. That is typically what they deliver.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो आपके लिए बहुत परफेक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है जो आपको मतलब it is going to help you immensely. It is going to help you immensely. So I hope you were in touch with Soumya also. I mean, they have their exams and too. I mean, yeah.
Yes,
so
sir.
that's great. And अच्छा, another very important thing, this time IIT KGP has a lot of seats जो basically नहीं होते थे, क्योंकि इस बार 2-3 specializations start हुए हैं. And luckily you have got the IIT KGP IPR which you are desiring, because they are not disclosing anything. I mean, how you will get IPR and how when someone else is going to get criminal law and international law, nobody knows. I mean, they are so secretive and they're hidden about their process. I mean,
yes,
nobody
sir.
knows about anything. But nonetheless, this thing is there. And आप अभी क्या इस बार क्या यूजीसी देने वाले हो, या अभी 3 महीने सर बहुत पढ़ लिया, I'm going to take a break and go to
नहीं
IIT?
सर, अभी तो प्लान नहीं है यूजीसी देने का. अभी तो नहीं है, क्योंकि हाँ वही जो आप कहे, 1 साल काफी पढ़ लिया है. काफी क्लासेस और लेक्चर्स और मॉक्स अटेंड कर लिया मैंने. काफी हो गया अभी.
Understanding. I mean, yeah, definitely take a break. 2-3 महीने का आराम से break लो, IIT KGP जाओ, and then the rest of the things will be there. But overall, Karthik, it's really I'm really happy for you. The reason I talked, one of your friends selected, you didn't. I know how it feels sometimes. One of your very close friends.
So I think that happened because I had to go through this process of 1 year of learning from you, and it was enriching, I can say. I think it was written, and I'm very happy with that.
Okay,
I have no regrets at all. sitting
Yeah,
today.
definitely. Because that makes you a better person, better human being, a great learner, and that will help you in your path as well. Okay. So overall, I hope this journey with research has helped you a lot. Okay. In this case, thank you very much,
Definitely.
Kartikeya. Yeah, and hope you will have a great future ahead. Okay.
Thank you so much, and say like just spread the word for every teacher that thanks for their efforts. If it weren't for them, I won't have made such elaborate notes. And thank you for making my life easier with jurisprudence. Now I will be able to tackle it much better. So thank you so
डेफिनेटली
much.
डेफिनेटली आपको जूरिस्प्रूडेंस बहुत पढ़ना पड़ेगा एलएम में जाके
हाँ
ठीक
सर,
है
वही तो आई मीन इवन जब आप पढ़ाते थे और जब मैं फिर बुक से पढ़ता था, देयर वाज अ स्टार्क डिफरेंस. लाइक पहले फिलोसफीज वर लाइक आई यूज्ड टू फील व्हाट इज happening. I'm not able to get it, but with your real life examples and everything, it helped me tremendously. So thank you for that.
डेफिनेटली चलो थैंक यू वेरी मच have a great future ahead Kartikeya and you
Thank
have
you.
to help the junior also okay definitely
Definitely, sir. I'll be there whenever you want to call me. You can call me. I'll be there for your help, for
चलो
anyone there.
thank you
Yes.
Kartikeya see you again
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.